Hello, so today let's look at how to insert a video into PowerPoint. So first, click on the Insert tab, then pick Go to Media and click on the arrow, then under Video, click on it and pick the first option, this device, if you have already downloaded the video on your laptop. So you select this option. Then you look for where you have already played the video. For this tutorial, my video is on download. So I will select download. I have a lot of the videos here, but I will pick one of them. So I'm selecting one. So you click on the video that you want to insert. Then you click on the insert. Then your video will be inserted into your PowerPoint, so you can increase the frame size, so you can test it. In this lesson, we're going So this is basically how to insert video into your PowerPoint. Thank you.